Number 5. The Yamaha PS50088 Key Smart Digital Piano has been designed for performance and portability. It is a digital keyboard with 88 weighted keys and a sleek, stylish design. Its powerful sound engine delivers an expressive sound that is perfect for the stage or studio. The PS500 also features an advanced digital sound engine with over 500 different sounds, perfect for any style of music. With its built-in sequencer, you can create and record your own music. You can also connect your computer or tablet to the PS500 and use it as a MIDI controller. The Yamaha PS500 also comes with a variety of onboard effects, so you can tweak your sounds to perfection. The PS500 is a great piano for both beginners and advanced players. It has an easy-to-use interface and its intuitive controls make it simple to use. Its lightweight design makes it portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. The Yamaha PS50088 Key Smart Digital Piano is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a professional-sounding digital piano. For a demo of the Yamaha PS50088 Key Smart Digital Piano, watch our video. We'll show you how this amazing digital keyboard can bring your music. Number 4. Welcome to the Casio PEX S7000 Digital Piano. This sleek and sophisticated digital piano provides a wealth of possibilities for those looking to create beautiful music. Its powerful sound engine provides the ability to create everything from gentle ballads to thunderous concertos. With a wealth of features, this digital piano is perfect for both beginner and experienced players alike. The Casio PEX S7000 features 88 full-sized, touch-sensitive keys that respond to your every touch, providing an incredibly realistic feel. With the included sound library, you'll be able to create any kind of sound you can imagine. Whether you're looking to recreate the sound of a grand piano or an electric guitar, the Casio PEX S7000 can do it all. The Casio PEX S7000 also includes built-in speakers, so you can experience your music in full stereo sound. You can even connect this digital piano to your computer and record your music directly to your computer. With the included lessons, you can quickly learn the basics of playing the piano and start making beautiful music right away. The Casio PEX S7000 is an incredible digital piano that provides a Number 3. Welcome to your channel name. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at the Kawai CN29 digital piano. The Kawai CN29 is a high-quality digital piano offering a superior level of playability and expressiveness. It features a high-quality graded hammer action keyboard, which provides a natural and responsive feel, and a range of onboard sounds, including piano, strings, organs, and other instruments. The Kawai CN29 also features a range of different sound effects, including reverb and chorus, as well as a variety of onboard rhythms and accompaniments. You can also connect the CN29 to a computer via USB and use the included Kawai VPC editor software to record, edit, and playback your performances. The Kawai CN29, a great choice for anyone looking for a quality digital piano that offers a great range of features and sounds. It's perfect for beginner and experienced players alike, and is sure to provide many years of musical enjoyment. So if you're looking for a quality digital piano that offers a great range of features and sounds, then the Kawai CN29 is a great choice. We hope you've enjoyed this look at the Kawai CN29. Number 2. The Donner Department 10 Beginner Digital Piano is the perfect instrument for those just starting out in the world of music. This full-size, semi-weighted digital piano has 88 keys and a host of features that make it ideal for both beginners and more experienced players alike. This digital piano is equipped with a built-in recorder, allowing you to capture your music and save it for future use. You can also connect your devices directly to the piano and use it as an audio output. In addition, the Department 10 has a 2-in-1 dual-track recorder, allowing you to record 2 tracks simultaneously. The Department 10 also comes with a variety of sound effects, including reverb and chorus, to give your music that professional sound. It also has a metronome feature, allowing you to keep time and play accurately. The pedal and sustain options also give you greater control over your performance. The Department 10 is lightweight and portable, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. And with its USB connection, you can easily connect to your computer and save your recordings, whether you're a beginner or a more experienced player. Number 1. Welcome to our demonstration of the Roland electronic piano HP700 series HP702. This piano is a great choice for any musician looking for a realistic and authentic acoustic piano sound. The HP702 has a rich, full sound and features a range of voices that can be tailored to suit any style. With 88-note hammer action keyboard, it offers a natural feel and response. The HP702 features Roland's supernatural piano technology, which provides a more natural and expressive sound. The sound is always accurate and realistic no matter what velocity you play at. It also features various piano-focused effects, such as reverb and chorus, to add depth and movement to your sound. The HP702 also has a range of onboard features that make it easy to use and play. It features Bluetooth audio or MIDI connectivity for wireless playing, and a USB audio or MIDI port for transferring audio and MIDI data. The HP702 also includes an onboard song recorder, allowing you to capture your performances and share them with others. We hope this demonstration has shown you just how powerful and versatile the Roland electronic piano HP700 series HP702 is, with its advanced sound engine and range of features.